up Sharky Draws Ox 4. Different fandoms she likes.
This is a Bungo Stray Dogs OC.
Her name is Regan, and she has the ability to control people like puppets, but only if she writes their name with their blood.
She's 21 and was trained by Dazai to control her ability, kinda like Octogawa.
Mori trained her a bit after Dazai left, but she eventually worked on her own.
She hates Dazai and is friends with Julia.
She's kinda evil, but like was an orphan, so I guess that's why.
Oh my god, she's so silly. I love her so much. Oh my god, oh my god.